Thikoni ni thutha wa ministry ya KIGINA bururi-ini gucabithia mendekithia ma thirikari ma bajeti ya mwaka ukite wa KIGINA. Atongoria ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro wa Azimio nimaniriire uregani wao na mendekithia maya makiuga megucungiriria KIGIRIKO na moritu maingi kuri muingi wa bururi uria ukoretwo thinikanitio ni ngarama ya iguru ya muturire. MAKIRIA hindi ya giikaro na andiki a mohoro wa Azimio maugite bajeti ya mwaka ukite rongoreirio kuongerera magoti kuri muingi niguo gukinyaniria KIGINA kiria thirikari itanyite kungania mwaka ukite gya ciringi tiririoni 2.9 guku makiuria AKENYA kwinyitia muthiori-ini amu kuri na mururumo mweru wa magoti iguru ria maria mongereirwo mwaka uyu.
If the BPS is anything to go by, Kenyans must be ready to tighten their belts, because KK regime is coming after them in a second wave of taxes. Number 3, to the ordinary Kenyans, the mama boga, boda riders, and the people of Mjengo, this regime is coming again with a double taxation plan with increased taxes of approximately 27,000 shillings per every adult Kenyan.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka uria uthomire ndumiriri ino ritie AKENYA kwiyumiria na kuregana na mendekithia maya KWONA ni magacungiriria moritu akiuga makuhuthira njira ciothe cia kiwatho kuregana na mendekithia maya
is that it does not meet the Constitutional and Public Finance Management Act provisions. We commit to reject any further punitive taxation imposed on Kenyans by this regime in the name of economic transformation.
Kuringana na mendekithia maya thirikari irongoreirie guthondeka bajeti ya ciringi tiririoni 4.2 mwaka ukite wa KIGINA hari kuongerereka kuma ciringi tiririoni 3.68 mwaka uyu. Nyongerera iria Azimio yugite gukuithia AKENYA kuhitukira magoti meru.
Kenya KWANZA regime remains badly exposed on all fronts. As I present their second budget policy statement, it is clear that we are in a second phase of a reckless race to the bottom. When 1.5 years later, all indicators point to the fact that life is deteriorating, not improving. The cost of life remains high as the cost of every basic item continues to go up. We are staring at a second disastrous and painful year under Kenya KWANZA.
Hari bajeti ino thirikari nene yendekithitio kugairwo tiririoni 2.54 ciringi tiririoni 1.35 ikendekithio guthie kuriha mathiri. Bunge ikendekithio kugairwo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 41.62 na ruhonge rwa magoti rukendekithio kugairwo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 23.6.
The statement
Girivotera Kameme TV Jitagwo Mwaura Wagunyama.